Curious if your shiny new solar panels are protected by your State Farm Homeowners insurance? Let's dive into whether State Farm Homeowners insurance covers solar panels and how to ensure those panels are protected first. We'll explore the coverage options typically offered within a standard State Farm policy. Homeowners policies often provide coverage under the dwelling or other structures sections. Generally, your solar panels are considered part of your dwelling, which covers the structure of your home, or could be covered under other structures if they're, for example, on a detached garage. This means they could be protected against perils like fire, windstorms, hail, and even vandalism. It's vital to confirm the specifics with your own declaration page. Now, what if your panels are damaged? Let's look at the claim process. You typically report the damage to State Farm promptly. They'll likely send an adjuster to assess the damage. Be prepared to provide documentation of the panels, such as purchase receipts and any maintenance records. An adjuster will determine the extent of the damage and estimate the repair or replacement cost. This cost, minus your deductible, is what State Farm should cover, subject to the terms of your policy. Remember to review your policy details to understand all of its specifics. Having homeowners insurance that covers your solar panels is crucial to safeguard your investment.